Counselor and Miss Mary Grace M. Valencia, the Directress and Principal.
Ano?
A certificate of participation is awarded to grades 1, 2, 3 for showing an active participation to the United Nations Day celebration. Any representative from grade 1 to grade 3? Miss China daw.
Miss China daw.
Photographer ka. Dapat lahat ng first year nandito.
A certificate of participation is presented to or given to grade 4 to 5. Any representative? Ayan, representatives. Marami pala.
One, two, three. Ay, naka-zoom out.
A certificate of participation is given to first year. Any representative from first year?
First year. Uy, lalaki na.
A certificate of participation is given to the second year. Any representative from second year? And a certificate of participation is given to the third year. Or any representative from third year?
Oh my God! Dito, Bulaylay! Bulaylay! Isa pa rin. Isa pa hawak mo ganun.
And of course, the moment of truth. The winner for this afternoon competition is none other than Michelle Bet! With an average of 95.67, the winner is Toji!
Ikaw na naman, pare.
Okay, congratulations winners. And thank you very much. Have a wonderful afternoon. All first year, wag daw munang aalis. Resumption of classes will be on November 8, the same time and the same place. And November 13, we will have a classes. Congratulations again and have a wonderful afternoon. Thank you very much.